snack.
This is my favorite meal. Wow. I'm over here bowl scraping.
Obsessed. Morning, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jasmine. Today's video, we are going to be recording a what I eat in a day for fat loss. As you guys know, I am currently trying to lose some fat while trying to maintain as much muscle mass on my body because baby, we're not trying to lose that after we worked really hard for that. But I hope that this video gives you some inspiration and some easy meals that you can choose from to add into your own rotation. But as you guys just seen, I just took my sea moss. This one is from the brand Sea Moss and it's the pina colada flavor and it's so good. It also came with this cute little gold spoon. I've been starting every single morning with that, and now we are gonna go off and enjoy our morning walk that I usually do with my husband, and it's one of my favorite things that I do to start my day. Drink your water. If it's one thing that I will say is that we are drinking our water during the day to make sure that we're not falling behind on being hydrated. I always start with a 20-ounce glass of water. All right, let's get the day started. You're so good. Oh. Look who's coming. Einstein. We're gonna make some breakfast. I am thinking about making either two things, a smoothie, but I think I already showed you guys that. So I'm definitely just gonna go ahead and do some eggs, chicken sausage, and some toast. And then yeah, let's go ahead because I'm starving. Breakfast is done and I ended up just doing something super simple, which was just 2 eggs, 3 chicken sausages, and then like 2 ounces of toast with a little bit of honey on there. Never get tired of this meal. So this breakfast has exactly 14 fats, 26 proteins, and then 28 carbs. One thing that I always notice is that people are always asking like, can I eat rice? Can I eat bread? Can I eat pasta? The answer for me is yes, but with moderation. And also be mindful about where you're putting those carbs in to ensure that you're using it as energy. I personally like to eat my carbs earlier in the day. So for my breakfast and my lunch, usually around dinner time, I don't like to consume too many carbs because your carbs are essentially energy for you to use for when you're working out or moving around the day. So for me, I always focus on having more of my carbs in the beginning of the day instead of the rest of the day. Lunch is done, and I get this entire bowl that is 45 grams of protein, which, if you're asking me, that's a win-win in my book. This meal is just so delicious. It's super simple to like create. Like I said, if you wanted to meal prep this, you definitely can. You could do the potatoes on the side, your lean ground beef or your protein of choice on the side. You can even make the sauce on the side and then chop up your topping. And Cameron have been obsessed with this bowl. It's just so good. The potatoes make it taste like if you have like French fries.
This is my favorite meal. Wow. I'm over here bowl scraping them bowls.
Time for a snack. It's time for a snack. I just finished my workload for today and it is currently about to be 6 o'clock, but I want to make sure that I eat a little snack. Even though I'm having that snack, I try to ensure that I get in still some protein in. So my favorite thing, and especially if you watch my other What I Eat in a Days, is my cottage cheese parfaits. I had any fruit and I'm craving something refreshing, so I know I cut up some watermelon. Give me 1 minute. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits during the summer, and I serve myself cottage cheese on the side, and I'm gonna also add in some nuts for some healthy fats in there as well. Remy, you like it? Yummy! Is served.
I have been lucky enough to be married to for 10 years. He is incredible. His name is Steve. That's Steve. How you doing? Great. Something inside of you. Something happened.
Yeah, I guess, but
I was just on the phone with Cam. He's coming back home after doing a couple of errands, but I'm about to start dinner. I just took a shower, feeling refreshed. Dinner, it's gonna be really easy because I'm making some sockeye salmon in the air fryer, and I'm also just gonna do a sheet pan of veggies. Simple, easy, done within like 20 minutes, and also tasty. So let's get to it. They heard any good reviews about it?
About what?
The food.
No.
What?
Right here.
Oh, at least it's a zip up bag.
Though you're eating on an average thing, so.
There's a lot of flavors, but I can't wait.
Now we're gonna pick the right ones.
All right, so